Hello everyone, today I have a quick charm update for y'all. Some of these charms are really old and most of them are like failed charms because I'll list good ones in my shop, but we're just gonna do this. So the first one I have is this Oreo cheesecake. Then I have this planet charm. I made two more, but they're gonna be listed in my shop update. This one just has like a stain on the front and then like the ring split, so I didn't want to sell it. Then I have this whale with a balloon inspired by a photo on Pinterest. I can link in the description. Next, I have this jellyfish inspired by XOX Rufus. I'll also link her tutorial in the description. And then this cotton candy milkshake that I sold other ones, but this one, the glaze got kind of weird, so I didn't want to sell it. Next up is this pride milkshake. I like the idea, but I want to change the base up a little bit. Then I have this glitter macaroon made from scrap clay, so I never really finished it. Next is this ghost milkshake I made for Halloween last year. Then I have this 4th of July cookie for 4th of July last year. I wish I didn't glaze the whole thing. I think it made it look weird. Then I have this peach, which the pit was too big so I didn't want to sell it, but I still thought it was cute. Next I have this like gem that I found on Google and I didn't remember which one it was, so I think it was lapis lazuli. And I have rose quartz, which I tried to paint and kind of looked weird. And then this isn't emerald, but I don't remember what the gemstone was called. I just really liked it, so I decided to make it out of clay. And then I have these little button mushrooms, each with different faces that I thought turned out really cute. They kind of sat on my desk for a while, so they got dusty, but overall I like the idea and I want to make more. Then I have this other mushroom. I think it was a white dapperling, but I made it a really long time ago, so I don't remember. Then I have these Inokatake mushrooms, if I'm pronouncing that right. They also got dirty, which is really sad because I really liked these. Then I have these pastel pushing cupcakes from a really long time ago that I think are cute and I kind of want to remake. For Christmas charms, I have this Santa macaroon that I never ended up glazing for some reason, and same thing with this reindeer macaroon. Then I have this snowman cupcake. This was inspired by the clay croissant, I believe. I will link her Instagram down in the description as well. And this reindeer cupcake, which I think was inspired by the mini bakery, and I will link her in the description as well. And last, for Christmas cupcakes, I have this Santa one that I think turned out super adorable, and I'm gonna keep it in like my own collection of my favorite charms that I've made. Then for Valentine's, I have this Valentine's squid. I want to make another one next year that's a Q squid, so like it's holding a bow and arrow like Cupid. Then I have, I guess more Christmas charms. I have this gingerbread house figurine. It's listed in my shop because I accidentally put the listing on like auto renew, so even whenever Christmas was over, I have it listed until August. So I thought it turned out super cute. And I spent a lot of time doing all the details like on the roof and around it. And if you want to buy it for next Christmas, it's on my Etsy, so hit that up. And then I also have this penguin one. All the details like the snowflakes and stuff and then the let it snow are made out of clay. I thought this turned out really cute. And then I also have a third one, but it already sold, and it was just like a little log cabin in the snow. So if you want to see that, go to my Instagram. And last but not least, I have this molong, whatever, in some roses. And I thought it turned out super adorable. It's one of my favorite things I've ever made. And I considered selling it, but I think I love it too much. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!